Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, you are going to learn that how you can save images automatically to your device using Discord application. So guys, to begin with, you need to open your Discord application. Once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. From here, you need to choose the U option. Once you tap on U, from here, you need to tap on the setting option. So once you tap on the setting option, all you need to do is to scroll a bit where you will find the chat option. Tap on chat, it will bring you here, and just under the camera upload you will find save to device, and that is disabled. So when this is on, images and videos captured using the camera when sending a message will save to the device as well. So there will be a copy saved to your mobile gallery or the storage as well. So if you want to enable that one, just tap on it, and as you can see, it is enabled. And from now on, your videos or images captured when you're sending it in the messages inside a Discord application will be saved to your mobile gallery as well. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.